When I landed on Zanzibar, I was questioning myself, like in any place I'm visiting, what is the rhythm of this place? Honestly, when I first saw the specs of this lens, I didn't expect such a stunning and pleasing bokeh for portraits and close-ups. Light, compact, incredible sharpness, beautiful bokeh and fantastic zoom capabilities, all this in just one lens. This allows me to interact directly and have fun with the people I encounter without intimidating them too much. As a travel photographer, I can meet a huge number of different subjects throughout one single day, or even within 1 hour, and that's what I truly enjoy. So having everything in one little handbag is just so perfect for me.